see. Why is it doing that? Oh, there we go. Yes. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be sharing with you guys what I mix in my apple cider vinegar before I drink it. So in my my first weight loss video that I posted, it went really viral and people noticed that I was putting some spice in the apple cider before I drank it. They were not clear what spices they were. That's a cider. Anyways, they were not clear what kind of spices I put in my cider before I drink them. I'm sorry if you hear my kids in the background. They're right there, and I just want to make this video really quick. And yeah, so they were unclear what I usually put in my cider, and I have researched a lot when it comes to my weight loss, and I found these there's so many of them that you can use to like fasten up your weight loss, and it actually work magically. And I love these spices so much. They've been part of my life ever since I started drinking the apple cider and I found out about them. So I'm gonna be showing you guys what the spices are, and these spices are very good for your health. Like, they're natural. Like, I go with organic ones. I don't buy just anyhow from like grocery store. I make sure I go to like organic store, and it's only like a couple dollars more. So it's better to buy something organic that will work for you and that you are comfortable with, and not something that will actually hurt you. So anyways, I don't know if that makes sense. Just my own thing. And yeah, so I'm gonna be showing you guys these spices one by one. And I am telling you, even without the apple cider, if you put the spices alone in water with lemon, it works amazingly. It works so well, and you are not even gonna believe it. Like, just try my words. And like, some people are kind of like lazy when it comes to like weight loss. If you're gonna like, if you really want to lose weight, you have to, not just 1 day, 2 days, 3 days, and you're expecting it to work like that. You know, I've been trying to lose weight since last year summer. If you follow me on Instagram, you will know that I was trying to lose weight so much and it didn't work, just because I just keep skipping days. But if you put your mind to it and just give yourself at least 14 days, that's like 2 weeks, and do all these things right, I promise you guys, you are gonna lose weight amazingly. No, I'm not saying 2 days or 3 days, because there's so many liars on YouTube and says this is like, oh, you're gonna lose it in 2-3 days. Maybe it works for them, but I don't believe in it, because I tried it. Like, you will notice cups like different in your stomach, but not something, not a lot of weight. So Malika, can you be quiet, please? So yeah, but if you try this 2 weeks, what I'm about to show you guys, just 2 weeks, you are gonna be amazed. And I'm telling you, put your mind to it. You can do it. If I could do it, you can do it, because I hate anything bitter in my life. The apple cider is not bitter, but it has this weird taste, weird freaking taste. It's not fun. It's very disgusting, very disgusting. But you know what? As long as it's healthy and you're drinking it and it helps you, that's what matters, and that's what you have to consider. So anyway, I think I'm talking a lot. I'm gonna be showing you these three amazing spices in your apple cider. I'm gonna show you how I do it, and I have everything ready to go right here. I was trying to make this video the first time, and I knocked everything down. So I've been trying to clean. My whole floor looks so yellow and red and all kind of, like, I'm gonna do with this after this video. So I'm gonna be showing you guys what I put in my apple cider vinegar before I drink it, and everything I put in there one by one. You can get this at your local herb store. Is that what it's called? Like healthy stores and stuff like that. So there's one close to me. So, or you can even buy them online. You can even, I think you can buy them online. I'm not sure. Anyways, I'm gonna be showing you guys what I put in my apple cider vinegar, and if you want to see that, keep watching. Okay, right here. Sorry about this mess, guys. I'm so sorry about all this mess, just because like I said, I was trying to make this video the first time and I knocked everything down. So I have my glass cup right here. This is my glass cup. It's a 1 cup. Guys, can you keep your voice down, please? Just for like 2 minutes, okay? I promise you guys, 2 minutes. So I have my glass cups right here, and I'm gonna pour some apple cider. About that much. You don't need more than that, to be honest. Like, see? It's like right there. Oh, I'm not showing you guys. Right there. So you don't need more than that. This is cayenne pepper. I don't know how to say it. It's cayenne. I'm gonna spell it on the screen so you can see. This is cayenne pepper. This is my ginger. This is my turmeric. And of course, lemon. I'm gonna be cutting this lemon into like quarter. I'm gonna show you guys. And always a room temperature water. Room temperature water. So you want to fill that up to like that. And you are going to be drinking this twice a day. First thing in the morning and last thing at night. I'm showing you it's about 7:35 p.m. right now. It's late. But I don't drink this around this time, but I'm going to drink it just because I want to show you guys. Anyways, so you fill it up to this. Oh, let me show you. Like, sit it, yeah, like up to top, like just like a regular 1 full cup. You are gonna take your cayenne pepper. You can shake it in it, like so. Sorry, shake it in it. Yeah. You see how? You can tell how much I put in that. Just like a pinch. This is ginger, the same amount. Right here. So, yeah. Ginger. And we're gonna put the same amount in it. Right there. And turmeric. Oh my gosh. I cannot tell you wonderful job this thing is. I'm gonna be doing a separate video on what you can do with this thing. It's amazing. It's freaking good. Anyway, this is turmeric. My turmeric is usually like this. It's always rolled up in balls. I usually grab like balls like that. Okay, you know what? Maybe you guys will be able to tell. Okay, this is like half a teaspoon. And I'll say this much. This much. So that's like quarter of a teaspoon. Boop. And there. I'm used to this, guys. If it's your first time drinking this, you're gonna be like, I don't want to do it anymore, but it's good. And we already have water, so this is the last thing I'm gonna be doing. I'm gonna cut this lemon. Make sure there is seeds in your lemon. I always say that. Make sure there's seeds in your lemon, guys. You want seeds in your lemon. You see that? If there is no seeds in them, don't use it. That's not good for you. Please don't use it. There are no seeds in your lemon, like I said. I make sure there are seeds in my lemon. This quarter, and I'm gonna squeeze it in. Squeeze it. Woo! We're gonna be mixing this. I need to put this knife away because my kids are gonna come grab it. Anyway, I'm gonna mix it like that. Because the taste is not good, because the taste is very bad, my recommendation is, for me, and I do it a lot, I'm not gonna lie, I get honey, just a regular honey, doesn't matter, organic, whatever, just like because we're not using it a lot. I'm just gonna put like a little bit right here, just like so. Good, because the taste of the apple cider is really bad. So when I drink this, I am going to be licking the honey. Let me just take this seeds out. I am gonna be licking this just like to make my mouth like feel better right away. So I'm gonna be drinking this now, and I'm gonna be licking this at the end of this. So, are you guys ready to be motivated? Let's drink this. Okay, drink it like at one time like that, but because I want to show you guys on camera, I usually like do like three times. Like I would drink like quarter and then quarter and then quarter, like every 2 minutes apart. But because I want to motivate somebody, so I drank it. And yo, you will start sweating. Like I'm already sweating. My armpits like sweating. Anyways, that's all about it. I hope you guys enjoy. Please make sure you subscribe. Absolutely make sure you subscribe to my channel. I will really appreciate it. And thank you so much for your love, your support, your emails, your messages on Instagram. And if you're not following me on Instagram, it's time to follow me on Instagram. I keep burping. Anyways, thank you so much. I'm hot. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you guys in my next video. And I wish all of you guys good luck. Bye guys.